High Court has ruled that the amount paid by Indian companies to Amazon Web Services for cloud services cannot be taxed as royalty. Ashmit, this does come as a big win for Amazon Web Services. Take us through what transpired in court, what the order says.
Well, the order has very clearly said that, look, payments being made by Indian entities which are using Amazon Web Services, cloud services, those payments will not qualify as royalty and therefore cannot be taxed as such. That's the big takeaway. That's the assertion that the Delhi High Court has made, holding up AWS's aggregate position that they've conveyed before the Delhi High Court. Now, the issue essentially boiled down to two assessment years. That's assessment year 14-15 and 16-17. For these 2 years, the tax department had been looking at amounts that went towards Amazon Web Services. That's the US incorporated company. That amount for these two assessment years was calculated to be in the neighborhood of about 1250 crore rupees. The tax department's contention was that money being paid by Indian entities to AWS US qualifies as royalty and therefore I will proceed to tax it as such. This is something that was contested first before the ITAT, then before the Delhi High Court. The Delhi High Court spelling it out very clearly that from their scrutiny of these documents, their scrutiny of the arguments, there is no case made out by the tax department for considering this payment as royalty and then subsequently taxing it. So on that front, a big relief coming in for AWS. This would have been a negative precedent for them if it went against them, given as how their cloud services have expanded here in the country. But this is not the final word. This is a Delhi High Court division bench judgment. The tax department does have the legal remedy of approaching the Supreme Court.
All right, Ashmit, many thanks for joining us. Now, Yoga Guru Ramdev